Welcome back guys, welcome back to BitByte Crypto. In this video I am going to show you how you can claim Evmos chain airdrop. So back in July 18th, Evmos intern posted a tweet. So in there they said that there is $150 million of Evmos airdrop that is still unclaimed. So you can be one of them who don't know that you are eligible for this airdrop and you can claim this airdrop. So what the criteria for this airdrop? If you used Ethereum before 2021, this is your ticket into the cosmos. Let's see which Ethereum project are eligible for the airdrop. So if you use Avi or Compound Finance or Uniswap, so you can check all the details in here. So if you used any of this Ethereum based project, then you are eligible for the airdrop. So I will show you how you can claim your airdrop from Evmos website or from the Rektdrop dashboard, and what is the process of claiming this airdrop. So let's start the video. So first thing first, to completely claim your airdrop, you need two wallets. One is Kelpr wallet and another one is Metamask wallet. So how you will do this? So let's show you all the process to complete these 4 tasks. So do this before August 1st. So after August 1st, it will be decreased from your mission control. Watch this video properly from start to finish and you will claim this. So first you need to go to chainlist.org website. In this website you need to connect your wallet and add Evmos chain. So click on the connect wallet button, then select your preferable wallet which are eligible for the airdrop, then click connect. So your wallet will be connected. The next thing will be click on the search network option and type Evmos. The Evmos chain ID and currency will be showed up. So I am using Brave, so click on add to Brave, or if you are using Chrome then click to add to Chrome. So when you click this, the pop-up will appear and you need to click on the approve button. So just click on this approve button and your network will be added in the Metamask. Then it will ask you to switch the network from your native chain to Evmos chain. So you successfully added the Evmos chain or network in your Metamask. Here you can see Evmos network and this is my wallet. You need to deposit some Evmos in your wallet to do other tasks in the Evmos Rektdrop website. So let's move on to the next one. Go back to app.evmos.org/claims and in here this pop-up will appear, Evmos terms of service. So you just need to scroll down and accept and continue. So next thing will be connect wallet. So click on this connect button or connect wallet button, then select Metamask and select the preferable wallet which is eligible for the airdrop. So your wallet will be connected and you need to complete this signature. So just click on sign button. Here you can see I have 4 tasks like stake your tokens, then vote on governance proposal and execute an IBC transfer, and last one is use EVM. So first we will do the execute an IBC transfer. As I told you earlier, you need 2 wallets. One is Metamask and second one is Kelpr. So you can just import the same wallet in your Kelpr extension. So this link will be in the description. Click on that and you will be redirected to the Kelpr.app website. So this is the official website of Kelpr. Just click on the install Kelpr for Chrome and add this extension in your browser. So this is the extension, it's already added in my browser. So here you can see remove from Brave, but in your case it will be add to Chrome or add to Brave. Close this one and next move on to the app.osmosis.zone. So we will use this Osmosis website to do the IBC transfer, and for doing this we need some Atom in our wallet. So in this case what you can do, you can just buy some Atom from PancakeSwap like 0.03 which will cost only 30 cents. So then transfer that or deposit that into your Binance account and withdraw it into your Kelpr wallet. So when you click on the Kelpr extension, it will pop up and in here you can see I have selected the Cosmos Hub, so select this, and this is the address where you need to deposit or withdraw the Atom from your Binance to this Kelpr wallet address. So first do this and then go to app.osmosis.zone. So in here we will convert or swap our Atom into Osmo and then Evmos. So click on connect button and it will be connected in the website. Your wallet will be connected, and then click on the assets. So in here scroll down and you will see Atom. So just click on deposit, then click on max and click on the deposit button. So it will deposit your Atom into the Osmosis website, and then you can do the swap from Osmosis to Osmos or Evmos chain. So in here select high and click on approve. So your transaction will be broadcast. So here you can see transaction successful. So my Atom is successfully deposited on the Osmosis website. IBC transfer complete. So we completed the first task. So here you can see Atom. So click on trade icon in here and then go to swap section 0.001. So first swap your Atom into Osmo. First time the fee will be 0. So just approve and your Atom will be swapped into Osmo. So next select or click on Osmo and type Evmos. So select this, and in this time we will click on half. So we will swap this Atom into Evmos. So click on swap, then confirm the transaction. This Kelpr pop-up window will be appear. Just you need to approve this, but in this time you need to click on override fee and select the high option and then click approve. So our transaction is broadcasted and it will be successful, and I will get the Evmos in my dashboard. So here you can see transaction successful. Then click on assets and you need to click on the withdraw button. So here you can see the balance. So click on withdraw and it will redirect you to the app.evmos.org. So in here we will select from Osmosis to Evmos. So connect your Kelpr wallet. In here you just need to confirm or approve this. So approve two option and your wallet is connected. Then click on get address in your Metamask icon and click on max, then transfer coins from Osmosis. So your coin or Evmos will be transferred from Osmosis chain to Evmos chain. So confirm the transaction, select again high and click approve. So in here you can see my available balance is 0. That means my Evmos is transferred successfully from Osmosis to Evmos chain. So we successfully completed the execute an IBC transfer, and next we will do the use the EVM. In this case we will use Diffusion Finance. Link will be in the description. Click that link and you will redirect to this website, and first there will be a pop-up message. This is the terms and conditions. Check this mark and click on proceed. So then click connect to wallet and connect your preferable wallet which is eligible for the airdrop. So your wallet will be connected. Then select your token. So I will swap Evmos into USDC. So click on USDC. So I will swap one Evmos into USDC. Click on swap, then confirm swap and approve the pop-up transaction. Transaction submitted. This will take some time and your transaction will be confirmed. So in here you can see one pending transaction, one Evmos for 1.992 USDC. So in here you can see swap one Evmos for 1.992 USDC. So we successfully completed two tasks like execute on IBC transfer and use the EVM. So if I go back to mission control and you can see 50% reward already claimed in my wallet. Again click on Rektdrop and click on stake. So in this time we will stake some Evmos using the staking page. So in here you can see staking and all validators. So just click on view all validators. It will show all the validators list. Just click on manage any of these validators and type the amount. So if you are using Metamask in Evmos website, then you need to sign this. So in most case transaction will be broadcasted, but sometimes it isn't confirmed in the blockchain. If you face this problem, just go back and click on address and disconnect your wallet and use the Kelpr wallet for doing this. Connect your Kelpr wallet, then click again on stake, click on view validators, then click any of these and type the amount on how much you want to delegate, like 0.2. Click on delegate and you need to confirm the transaction. Pop-up window will appear and you need to just select the high option and then click on approve. In this time, successfully broadcasted the transaction. So I successfully delegated 0.2 Evmos. Wait for a few seconds and here you can see total staked 0.2 Evmos. So we successfully completed the tasks of stake your tokens. So in here you can see I already completed 75% tasks. So only one remaining is vote on a governance proposal. If you go back to mission control, then you will see 75% token are already claimed in my wallet address. So go back to claim Rektdrop, then click on vote and select any of this active proposal where you can see voting. So click on that, then click vote and select any option like yes or no, then click on vote and confirm the transaction. Again select high and click on approve. So your transaction will be confirmed or broadcasted into the Evmos. So it will take some time. Successfully broadcasted. So my transaction is confirmed on Evmos blockchain. So I successfully give the governance vote and here you can see I already completed the 100% tasks. So I claimed all the amount from my dashboard. So if I click on mission control, then you can see remaining tokens claimable with current decay. So here is nothing. So if I click on my Kelpr extension, then it will show the amount, how much Evmos I have. So just scroll down and select Evmos and here you can see I have 14.62 Evmos. So this is the process to claim the airdrop from Evmos Rektdrop or Evmos chain airdrop. Okay guys, and this is the process to claim your unclaimed airdrop amount from Evmos chain. So hopefully you like this video. Do subscribe in our channel and select the bell icon to all, and also join our Telegram group and Telegram channel. So here we can discuss about everything related to cryptocurrency or anything. So join our BitByte Crypto announcement channel where I already posted this airdrop details. Here you can see. So join our channel and group. So see you in the next video. Till then, stay well, stay safe.